This is the Laguna Street complex. The problem areas are the border of this gravel, the debris. This is the after. You can see we have a nice clean border of the gravel all along the flagstone walkway. It's clean walkways. See the gravel, the walkways are clean. Doing some finishing up touches on the planters. This is how we leave this property every other week. Now we have this property every week, so we'll be able to do a lot more detailing and focusing on the troubled areas. My name's Cash Williams, SP Evolutions. Thank you for your time.